string a wire between the two houses so you could telegraph to each other. You'll remember the morsel. It's Morse code. SOS. Help. Some message for him back. The product of your profession. Not mine. Each man faces death by himself. Alone.
Goodbye, Father. Inside me, I'm screaming. Nobody pays any attention. If I had arms, I could kill myself. If I had legs, I could run away. If I had a voice, I could talk and be some kind of company for myself.
Why don't they get it over with and kill me?
I could yell for help, but nobody'd help me. I've just got to do something. I don't see how I can go on like this.